Hi everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to this parameter. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX Apex course by Toads Academy. And if we go down, this is the overview about the Toads and about the UI UX course. Also, it's a degree and diploma course. The duration of the course is 12th month, and eligibility and softwares are there. Softwares are Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, HTML, CSS, Figma, ChatGPT, Framer. Mostly tools are covered, but many tools are missing again, like XT, Figma Make, FitJam, also Miro. Some of AI tools are also missing, uh, like Figma Make and Miro are the AI tools. Overall, mostly tools are covered. If we go down, these are the career options after completion of course. UI designer, UX designer, graphic designer. This is the course content. Cinematic designing is also there. Buy tools, stats, 100% internship is there. Like mostly companies are providing 100% placement opportunities, but internship is also fine. Like if you are getting 100% internship opportunities after completion of course, that is also good. And it's a AI integrated course. Live projects are there, studio visit are there, 100% placement is also there, and no detailing about the UI UX guidance, and and no detailing about the fundamentals, theoretical part about the UI UX, what they are going to teach. No modules are there. So I'm not aware about the content they are going to teach. So if we go with the curriculum depth, it's zero. Fundamental is also zero. UI design quality, I would give 0.5. Hands-on project, as they mentioned, so it's a 0.5. Tools and software training is again 0.5 because some of the tools are missing and HT also is missing. Mentorship and feedback is again 0.5 for me. Portfolio development is again 0.5 for me. Placement and career support is again 0. No, it's a 1 because they are providing 100% placement of opportunities. Course values and fees, it's again 0.5 because I am not aware about the fundamentals or structure or depth in terms of UI UX. So if industry relevance update is again 0.5. So if we count down total, it's a 4.5 out of 10. So it's a average course. Like if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can definitely pursue this course. But I will not recommend this course because there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and covers all the fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX, fundamentals, quality, and also help in portfolio development and also support in placement and career after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.